25 sentences using the verb have that can be helpful in everyday communication. Video 2 of 100 with the most frequently used verbs.
Do you have a pen I can borrow?
I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
She has a beautiful smile.
We have a lot of work to do today.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I have a headache.
They have a new car.
Have you ever been to Paris?
I have finished my homework.
She has 3 siblings.
We have a reservation for dinner.
Do you have any questions?
I have seen that movie before. He has a lot of experience in this field.
We have a surprise for you. I have to leave early today.
Do you have time to talk?
I have lost my keys.
She has a lot of energy.
We have to make a decision soon.
Have you had breakfast yet?
I have a good feeling about this.
He has been very helpful.
We have a new project starting next week.
Do you have enough money for the ticket?